everyone, I am Kelly Shaffner. Welcome to my channel. I am so pleased that you have joined me. Today I have a Nordstrom trunk club to share with you, and it's a big one. There are 15 pieces in my trunk that my stylist thought I might enjoy trying. Stick around. There's some great pieces in here. There are some terrible fits in here as well, which I always show you everything, and sometimes I really don't want to, but I do it for you. So thanks a bunch for sticking around and being supportive with the pieces that don't fit that well. Now, if you're not familiar with Nordstrom's Trunk Club, it's just a service offered by Nordstroms. It costs $25 to have a trunk sent to you, but that $25 is credited towards anything that you keep, or if you are a Nordstrom credit card holder, you can get your trunk for free. You get paired up with a stylist, and the stylist actually picks pieces, sends them to you. They do send a preview as well, and in that preview you can accept or decline pieces, and there's an app so you can have one-on-one communication with your stylist. I have a new stylist. This is the third box that she has sent to me, and she's doing a great job. I've purchased from every single box that she has sent, but this one is a little tougher. And the reason is because everyone knows that right now, the summer 2019, the Nordstrom anniversary sale is going on. So you can go online or you can go in store and you can pick up some great deals at Nordstrom's, and nothing in my trunk came from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. So it's pretty hard for me to make decisions knowing that I could get great deals and sales right now, and there's only one piece in this trunk that's on sale. Okay, I know I've said a lot. I know you're here to see the clothes. Let me share the clothes with you, and I'll give you my opinion as I'm sharing it with you, because there's a lot of stuff here, and I sure hope that you will offer your opinions and your thoughts about the pieces that I received. If you're not subscribed yet, I sure hope that you will subscribe. If you like unboxings, please join me for another one. Okay, the first piece that I tried on is this white ribbed racerback tank. This one is by Treasure and Bond. It is $29. It's made of modal cotton, so it's super soft. It's very long, and it also has an unfinished hem on it. So that's a little bit unusual. Unique, I would say. I don't mind it at all. This is a nice piece. The modal cotton makes it really soft. I just don't need it. Believe it or not, I at least have a dozen white tanks similar to this, and I wear them often underneath my clothing, kind of to smooth things out. They're almost like a camisole. I very seldom just wear a tank top with a pair of jeans. Not anymore. So yeah, this one's going back. I'm going to save my money for pieces that I don't have, that are very unique. I left the tank top on so I could show you the next piece. These are paper bag waist pants by Topshop, and they are in a really pretty mustard color. They do have a fabric belt with them. They are a very wide leg pant with a great big cuff on them. And in Topshop, normally you need to size up because the sizing is not American sizing. So she did size up. These were still too small. They pulled through the hips, the thighs. I didn't even turn around in the try-on because they looked that bad. These are $95. I don't like them at all. I have a real difficult time with Topshop and their sizing. I think they make really cute, trendy clothing, but these are definitely going back. The next piece is a flutter sleeve top by Caslon. This is black. Not my favorite color. I really don't enjoy wearing a whole lot of black. Now this does have a flutter sleeve, which I didn't care for the length of the flutter. The embroidery is very pretty. This one is only $39. It just doesn't wow me. Yeah, I've got a flutter sleeve on from Nordstrom's that I did receive in my trunk, but this one, I don't like the flutter, and the flutter does come down a little bit further. But yeah, I avoid purchasing and wearing black. I really do. So this one's going to go back. I would really love to hear your thoughts on this piece. This one is by Gibson. This is called the Caramel Top. It's a V-neck and it's a halter style. It does have a tie here in the back and a keyhole, which you can't see because the tie is over it. This is polyester spandex top. It's a high-low. It's a little bit longer in the back. I love the colors on this one. Of course, now this one is black, but it does have the really pretty reds and greens in it. This looks a little Christmas-like, wouldn't you say? I mean, as soon as I pulled it out of the bag, I thought Christmas, so maybe it's a year-round top. I don't know about the fit on this one. The price on this one is $54. So I'm not completely sold on this one, which is kind of crazy because it's got my favorite colors in it. It's polyester. It feels like a crepey polyester, but there is some spandex in it. I don't know if the fit is perfect for me. So please let me know what you think about this Gibson caramel top. Okay, the next top is by CC, and this one's called the Sakura top, and you can see in the try-on, I was trying to figure out, is it on the shoulders, off the shoulders? I think you could wear it both ways. When I pulled it out of the bag, I thought the print was very, very pretty. This one is 100% polyester. It's pretty stretchy. I didn't like the way it looked on me. I just don't think it's doing me any favors. The fabric is absolutely lovely, but again, I just don't think it's perfect for me. This one's $69, so that is definitely playing into my decision. Do I want to keep this for $69? I don't think so. If I'm not completely sold on it, then it really needs to go back and I should wait for the perfect pieces. Speaking of perfect, this one is called the Perfect Sleeveless Blouse. This is NYDJ, and this is a split neck top. Now, this is in a mauve color. Again, this is just a color that really does not work for me. This one is $79, and it does have some pleating in the back, and it does have one snap or a couple buttons in the front, V-neck, split top. It's just not extraordinary. It's pretty. I think it fit a little bit too big for me. The color's terrible. And so I'm going to send this one back. Look at this color. This is Gibson, and this is a magenta peplum top. It does have a cinched elastic waist there. It has a really small cap sleeve, V-neck, V-back. It does have a modesty snap in the front. This is a rayon fabric, rayon and spandex. I love the color on this one. And if I stand perfectly straight and don't move, I think that the style of it is okay, but it does seem to be a little bit clingy, and when I raise my arms, the whole top goes with me, and it has to be adjusted. This one's $49. Love the color. What do you think about magenta? I would love to wear this one. It's a summer top. This is also a hand wash. Let me know what you think about this one. This feels like a t-shirt. This would be a peplum t-shirt, which is not my favorite style to wear. Honestly, it's not. So let me know. I like it. I'm leaning towards keeping it because I'm crazy about the color, but the cinched waist and the peplum is making me rethink it. We have some coral, and I love my coral. I have purchased so much coral this year, and that plays into my decision to send this one back. I'll tell you right off, I'm sending it back. This is a crew neck tee. It's a bit of a burnout, if you can see that, and it does have a side tie on it. So it's a little bit different than just a classic t-shirt, but that's what it feels like. This one is a poly rayon blend. It is also recommended hand wash. It's only $38, but I have no need for this one. I'm completely overstocked on coral tees right now, so I'm going to send this one back, but I do really like this one. The next piece is a basic. This is by Nick and Zoe. This is just a layering tank, and you know, this looks like a sleeveless tee to me, and that's actually what it feels like. This has really nice like compression on it. It will hug your body, and it's a longer length. The regular price on this one is $68, and it did go on sale. It's $54. I do have a top so very similar to this. The top I own does not have the spandex in it, and this feels like a very nice quality blouse. Again, it's a basic. It's to be worn underneath a jacket or underneath another top, and I'm not shopping for basics right now. I'm looking for some cute summer attire to finish out the summer season, so I'm going to send this one back. Again, I really like it. I just have no need for it. When I started working with this stylist, I told her that I love denim, but I'm only purchasing unusual denim, unique denim. It's different from anything that I have, and I have a lot of denim, but I have been attracted to the crop length denim that have embellishments or funky hemlines. So she did send another pair of Wit Wisdom. In my last trunk, I did keep the Wit Wisdom shorts. So she sent Wit Wisdom jeans, and these are distressed. They're mildly distressed. There are no holes in them. They do have the classic 5-pocket styling. There's some whiskering. It is a little bit darker wash, which I like. You can see there's some fading in it, and it's a straight leg, and it is cuffed, and if you uncuff it, it's still too short for me, and it's just an unfinished hem and not a pretty one, because this fabric has a lot of spandex in it. This also has the hidden waistband. These are supposed to slim and shape and lift everything. I didn't like the hemline on these. I wasn't particularly crazy about these. I believe these are $68. The Nordstrom anniversary sale does have the Wit Wisdom on their sale right now. They're about $44. And for that reason, I would pick the cheaper pair, honestly. I don't think the distressing on these, and definitely not the hemline on these, are enough to make me pay that extra $24. So I'm going to send these back. The next top feels very much like a basic. This is 1901. This is a crew neck, ivory in color t-shirt. It does have a little detail, and this is like cotton, like bed sheet cotton, little ruffle on the bottom of it. This is uncomfortable. This does have spandex in it, so it feels like a nice quality top. It's $49, and I wasn't crazy about the fit on it. And the ivory, just the plain ivory color, makes this feel like a basic. So I would wear an ivory tee underneath a denim jacket or a cardigan, but the ruffle on it kind of limits the way that you can wear it. Yeah, so I'm sending this one back. I'm not sending this one back. I love this one, guys. This is also Caslon, and this is an ivory color. We do have some crochet detail on the top of this. This is a peplum. We do have a peplum on the back, and this just kind of feels like a boho tank, but did you see the bottom of it? It does have some tassel detail on the bottom. Now this feels like the perfect summer top for me. I'll wear this with my denim shorts or even with crop pants, a real easy wear. It's only $39. It's unique, it's different, it's comfortable, it's a cotton top. I like everything about it. Now, when purchasing pom-poms and tassels, you do have to take extra care when laundering, because these can get torn apart, and then you don't want to wear them if the tassels are ruined. So I do take extra care with my tassels and pom-poms because I love them so much. So yeah, this one is staying. Next up is the Whitney print top. This one is by Rails. This has, I don't know, do you call that a cap sleeve, a short sleeve? It's a short sleeve. This is a very, very boxy top. It's also short. It does have, I don't know if you can see it, it does have some metallic thread through it. It has a patch pocket on the front. It's a button up. It's $148. I really like Rails. I like to have a Rails button down. I add one to my wardrobe, only one, every year during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. They're nice quality. They feel nice. This one is $148, and I am not going to buy it. I don't like it. I don't like the colors on me. I don't like the fit on me, and I don't like the price tag. Now, Rails is always expensive. That's why I always pick one up at the Nordstrom anniversary sale. So this one, gosh, guys, this really reminds me of the early 80s. I think I had this top, not by Rails, but by someone else in the 1980s. And I thought it might be cute on, but I was wrong. I don't like this one at all. And the last pair of denim are by Good American, and these are in a really lighter wash, and these are distressed. These are also a straight leg, but almost a flare. These are an ankle flare. These are $169. These are such a great denim for curvy girls. I love my Great American denim. Now, These are 5-pocket styling, and they're very, very comfortable. I just don't like the legs. I don't like that the ankles where the hemline hits. I feel like they look like high rise. And next year I'll probably only be wearing pants at this length, but I'm not ready to take the plunge and wear the pants that look like floods right now. So these are $169. They're okay. I'm just not there yet. That's the only thing I can say about these. I'm happy to try them because in my head, I'm there, but when I see them on my body, I don't care for the look. And the last piece I tried in my trunk is a dress. This one is by Maggy London in my favorite color, red. This is a V-neck. This is a sheath dress. I like the length on this dress. Now, this one is a polyester spandex blend as well, but it's really thick. I don't know if you can even see how thick that is, but it feels pretty warm even for a sleeveless summer dress. This one is fully lined. It is a really nice quality. I like this dress. It's $138. And normally I would just purchase this dress because it has everything I look for in a dress. It's red, it fits, it feels like high quality. But I'm thinking about it and wondering where I would wear this because I'm not working in an environment where I need to dress up this much. And truthfully, this is a little bit too dressy for my church unless it was an occasion like Easter or Christmas or something like that. So I'm on the fence about this dress. What do you guys think? Should I get it? I love it. I do like it. Let me know what you think about this one. McCall is my new stylist. She did leave a style note here. And if you want to get hooked up with McCall and get a trunk for yourself, all the information you need is in the description box below. I have a referral link. So if you want to get directly connected with McCall, use that link. But this is what her note says. She says, "Hi Kelly, I had so much fun adding items to this trunk based on your feedback you provided as well as styles found on Pinterest. We've been seeing more brands and styles added to our inventory, and I'm so happy to share some of those great new items with you. I love challenging you to step out of your comfort zone a bit and try things you might not have chosen for yourself. I do hope you'll trust me on these pieces and give them a try. I think you will be surprised and really find things you love. Please let me know if you have any questions and I will be happy to help. Best, McCall." I really appreciate that she is sending pieces that she's not sure if I will like, but I just don't really like a whole lot of pieces in this trunk. Or I can purchase similar pieces at the Nordstrom anniversary sale and save myself a ton of money. And I'm going to do that because I'm not dumb. I can't wait to hear what you think about the pieces I received in this trunk. Could I get you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it? Make sure you're subscribed. Come back for more videos. I'll see you in the next one. Blessings.